Imagine going on vacation and coming home to find people living there and refusing to leave. Well, that's called squatting, and believe it or not, when it happens, it's really hard to evict the squatters. Well, not anymore. A new state law will make the process much easier for property owners. Ari joins us live from Opelika to explain the issue. Ari.
Well, Juwan, it's almost unheard of for a bill to pass through the Florida legislature, both the House and the Senate, with unanimous support. Everyone from both parties agreeing that something had to be done about squatting. And today, Governor DeSantis signed that bill into law. Police ended up in a shootout with a squatter in that Southwest Miami-Dade incident. And at this home in Miami, occupied illegally by squatters, they found a dead body last summer.
Someone broke into the house, they changed the lock, and they stay there like they own the property.
Marie Javier owns the house. She was having it renovated as a rental when squatters took over.
So they stayed in the property like for 2 months.
That's because once squatters move in, getting them out has been a civil matter, not a criminal case, so it took time. Up in Jacksonville, Patty Peoples captured her confrontation with squatters on video. It took months to get them evicted because they had a fake deed to the property, and they damaged the home extensively.
It is, quite frankly, one of the most frustrating, unfair experiences and frightening experiences of my life. The burden of proof was on me.
You assume in America, if you purchase a home and own a residence, that's your residence.
Governor Ron DeSantis signed the bipartisan anti-squatting bill today. It allows police to immediately remove squatters if they have broken in, if they've refused to leave, and if they're not a current or former tenant involved in a legal dispute.
You are not going to be able to commandeer somebody's private property and expect to get away with it. We are, in the state of Florida, ending the squatter scam once and for all.
So how often does squatting actually happen? Well, there are no stats on it that I could find, either nationally or statewide. But recently, Miami-Dade Police and the Broward County Property Appraiser's Office told my colleague Amy Viteri that cases are on the rise. So this new law is a tool for law enforcement and for property owners to fight back. We're live in Opelika. Ari, NBC6 News.